Hi, this is Ben from Rescue Plumbing, and we're here to rescue your home service business. 5 years ago, all I had was an E250 Ford conversion van, my plumbing tools, and a dream. Today, that dream has grown into a $5 million a year business, and I'm here to show you how marketing can do the same for your home service business. If you're not investing into your company's online advertising, you will have no future, no growth. When I started this journey, I was just one man with a van trying to feed my wife and 2 boys. Fast forward to today, Rescue Plumbing has grown to $5 million in annual sales with a fleet of 12 vans serving the entire Chicagoland area. The turning point for my business wasn't finding better plumbers or cheaper parts. It was understanding how to get my business placed first, number one, in front of the customer before everyone else. I've been plumbing for 20 years, and 6 years ago I hurt my back, and I acquired some time to research, and I uncovered some marketing secrets, I'll tell you. And after that, the growth I experienced was so dramatic, the competitors started hacking my website, trying to take me down. The haters, they came out in droves. And that made me realize we really had something. We had something so valuable that we could help other tradespeople like yourself. Visit our website, call us today, and begin your success story.